Hello lovelies, you're welcome to this channel today I want to teach you one of the secret liquid to grow your hair. It will grow your hair and make your roots stronger and make your hair strong. What are we talking about? Is apple leaves is very good. It have vitamin C, it have iron, it have vitamin B6 and magnesium. It's very good for your hair growth, for your down hair. So I've plucked it and I'm going to be adding clove with it. It's just only three ingredients, which you're going to be seeing the other one later. Guys, this is very good. When you use it on your hair root will be so strong and your hair will grow faster. You will not have weaker hair and your hair will not fall. It prevents dandruff. Apple leaf is very good. If you have not been using apple leaf, start using it now. You are going to love it. Either dry or fresh, you can use it. It's just because I have the fresh one with me, that's why I'm using the fresh one. You can order it online too. It's very good. It have magnesium. It have iron is very good for our hair, and it has vitamin B6, it has vitamin C, and it's very good for your hair. When you're having dandruff, it's going to prevent it. You add it with the clove together in the blender this way. You just cover and blend it. You blend it, let it be smooth, and it's very good, guys. Try it out. You're going to love it. You are going to love it. It will help your hair to grow, and when your hair is growing, not just growing, it will be growing stronger, not weaker. If you have the dry one, you can still use it this way, dry, or this is very good. So just try it. All these natural things are so good. Apple leaves are very good. So you take your cloth or any zipper you have, you just zip it this way. Because of the shaft, you're just going to bring out the liquid. You see, the water we add to it was so little, not that much. So that is just it. The next ingredients that make it to be number 3 is just what you are going to be adding, which is honey. Honey is very good for your hair. Clove is very good for your hair. Clove make your hair to grow. Honey soften your hair, and honey make your hair to grow, make your scalp to grow. And honey is very good for your hair. You just mix it together and just stir it together so that the honey will combine well with it. So you have your application bottle or application plastic or any application bottle you have. You just turn it inside. That is just it, guys. This is so good. Apple leaf is very good to grow your hair. Apple leaf is very good. I have been using this. It's tasted and trusted. Do you see the way it is? That is the way it will help your hair to grow. Just try it out. You are going to love it. So you see, after putting it in my application bottle, I just go to the bathroom and just add it to my hair. That is just it. If your hair is falling, it will prevent it. You see the hair so strong and growing and stronger, not growing and be weak. No, this will be growing, it will get strong. So that is just it. You just apply it this way, massage it under your skull, massage it and cover it for 30 to 25 minutes. You rinse it up. So simple as ABCD. It's very good and you are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe support this channel by helping this channel to grow. You are going to see how your hair will grow in this channel. You just massage it all over your skull, massage it this way. So that is it, guys. Thank you for your support always. Thank you for clicking the red button. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything. Bye bye.